just made now during the difficult time. But
it's okay.
My apologies for the late video that I've just made now during the difficult time for affected family about the incident that happened in Jos. I'm very sorry for the late video. I've just seen the video this morning, but many messages on my DM.
What's the basic way?
My DM, my TikTok DM, my Instagram DM, my Facebook DM, and my Twitter. A lot of scores. I want you guys to know that we're all Nigerians and we live this country together.
But it's about mommy.
I'm also come from poor family. I'm nobody. I will speak for my people. And I'm ready to speak out for you people. But only one thing I want you to understand, that I will never bias. Is what we both need. Is security. We need more security. Some fans spoke well, messaging me. Let them speak out. When you speak out, they will know that me myself am concerned about this situation. Please, Mr. President, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I'm one of your soldiers. Please, we need more powerful security. It's not when to get to walk close to us before we know that something's going on.
Ṣé gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ wo lórí burúkú yìí ẹ mọ nǹkan tó ṣe bọ́ta gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́jẹ̀ ń wò mí láàárọ̀ yìí editor mi máa send videos lẹ́gẹ́ méjì sí ẹ wá bá mi ṣe before and after a few moments later wá bá mi ṣe ṣé mọ nǹkan tí mo sọ pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ṣé mọ nǹkan tí mo sọ pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní kí ló kọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Jos Sunday ó wá bọ́ta ọ̀tọ̀ ní nǹkan tó wá sọ àwọn èèyàn wá gbé ṣépè gan àwọn èèyàn gbé ṣépè wọ́n lọ attack ẹ̀ gan ohun dẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ sọ fún gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń wò mí lénìí gbogbo àwọn òbí Cubana chief priest every supporter of Tinubu in this difficult time ẹ lọ máa flag wọn bí ṣe gbọ́gbọ́n ó dàbọ̀ náà ti flag page Cubana chief priest lórí Instagram ẹ máa gbé wọn ṣépè ẹ máa flag wọn àbí kò yé yín ẹ jẹ́ kí n play nǹkan tí Lẹ́gẹ́ kọ́kọ́ sọ níjọ́ birthday Tinubu ìjọ tí ṣe ń gbọ́ ìjọ ní London náà gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ bá mọ̀ London Tóbi Adégbóyèga tó lóhun fake pastor yẹn ẹ lọ sí page ẹ kẹ́ lọ course ẹ lọ gbé gbogbo wọn ṣépè èyí tó máa sọ pé òun ṣe oúnjẹ yẹn ìyẹn ò disappoint mi náà tẹ́ bá ti rí ọkùnrin tó kúrú ẹ sá fún wọn kò disappoint mi èyí tó máa ṣe oúnjẹ yẹn Kokun foundation ṣebí last week láyé rí tó sọ pé òun lọ join àwọn Lẹ́gẹ́ olórí burúkú ẹ̀ náà wá bọ́ta ó lóun join wọn torí káwọn lè máa bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ni àwọn olórí burúkú alátẹnujẹ ògògó kò ní yẹ olórí burúkú agùnmáníyè ó dàbí òpó náà lẹ́pà ògògó olórí burúkú olójú dúdú agùnmáníyè àdàgbàjẹ́ náà fún ẹ lọ́wọ́ fọ́lọ́ ògògó ẹ lọ́wọ́ fọ́lọ́ bàbá Lápinni olóṣì apárí olórí burúkú bàbá òfò tí ò bá ń ṣe kàmó kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ yín ìgbà tó ń dáwọ́ mọ́tò fún yín mo ní mo ní dá ọlọ́run tún mẹ́pọ́jọ́ alẹ́ yín ò ní dá ni Alápinni ibi kọ́ làwà tó wá sọ pé ọ̀hún fún yín lówó ìtẹ̀ṣe last time ó tún bọ́ta olóhùn kàǹpé fún ẹni tó bá ti rí tó ń kàǹpé fún Tinubu ẹ lọ gbé wọn ṣépè ẹ lọ flag page wọn ẹ jẹ́ ká play nǹkan tí Lẹ́gẹ́ kọ́kọ́ sọ nípa Tinubu níjọ́ tí wọ́n pa èèyàn yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ Lẹ́gẹ́ ń gbéra ìṣépè láì ṣàwà ni mo ń bọ̀ ẹ má bínú ṣe bó ti sọ́nsìn pé mo ń bọ̀ ṣe gbọ́ ẹni sùúrù mo ń bọ̀ yes ẹ wo nǹkan tí Lẹ́gẹ́ sọ́njọ́ yẹn mo ń bọ̀.
èyí president wa ṣe birthday ẹ wá dákẹ́ ẹ ṣe bá ní bí kò gòyìn torí ẹgbẹ́ bá ti wá jẹ́ tí ilé wa bàjẹ́
ṣe ń gbọ́
bàjẹ́ ọlọ́mọ mú yín wọ òbí rẹ méjì la jáde ayé òkè àti ilẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
ṣẹ́tírí ẹni tó bẹ̀bẹ̀ ìjọ tó pa àwọn èèyàn ló bọ́ta ṣe kínní ìjọ tó pa gbogbo èèyàn ní Jos ló sọ pé tìyá òun máa bàjẹ́ tí Mercy máa bàjẹ́ tí Lẹ́gẹ́ máa bàjẹ́ ìjọ tó pa àwọn èèyàn tí Nàìjíríà ń bleed lọ́wọ́ ìjọ yẹn ni Lẹ́gẹ́ ṣe fídíò yìí tó ní tìyá láyà òun máa bàjẹ́ tí tòun máa bàjẹ́ tí Mercy máa bàjẹ́ òfò níyá Mercy máa ṣe òfò ní Lẹ́gẹ́ máa ṣe ìjọ tí àwọn abiyamọ ń sunkún tí abiyamọ gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ dání tó gbé òkú ọmọ dání tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ bo ọmọ yẹn abiyamọ wọn ló gbàdúrà kó òun gbé òkú ọmọ dání kó máa sunkún ìjọ yẹn ni Lẹ́gẹ́ jáde tó ní tí Mercy máa bàjẹ́ tìyá Mercy máa bàjẹ́ tìyá òun máa bàjẹ́ tí tòun máa bàjẹ́ ó wá rí páwọn èèyàn ló ń kàn dẹ́mọ̀ ẹ̀ wọ́n lọ gbé ṣépè ó wá bọ́ta ẹ̀bẹ̀ irọ́ ló ń pa o irọ́ ló ń pa ẹ má gbẹ̀bẹ̀ wọn o ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run tí n bá ti ń rí wọn màá máa gbé wọn sórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ lọ́ máa unfollow wọn ẹ dẹ̀ máa mú ojú wọn ẹ máa mú sínú archive yín because ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀ kó ń ṣèpè wọ́n máa gbé wọn padà wá tọrọ owó wọ́n máa gbé wọn padà wá tọrọ owó lórí social media because àìsàn tí ò gbógun ó máa mú wọn ẹ wo Tinubu wọ́n ní wọ́n pa èèyàn over 50 people lọ pa ní Jos níjọ́ Sunday ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí Tinubu ṣe ṣá kàkà kí Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀ lórí yẹn Tinubu ti lọ yá billions ló tún lọ yá báyìí billions ló tún lọ yá ó náà fẹ́ fi ṣe port Nigeria Port Authority ẹjọ́ ṣe yẹn ló kọ̀ Tinubu lòun fẹ́ lọ yáwó láti fi ṣe security abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́ṣá Tinubu sọ pé òun fẹ́ lọ yáwó láti jẹ́ kí security Naija kó dúró dáadáa Tinubu lòun lọ yáwó láti fi ṣe Nigeria Port Authority tẹ́bárí over mi mọ́ fígọ̀ yẹn but billions ni àwọn cabinet ẹ̀ wọ́n ti within 4 hours lọ fi sign kan fún yáwó yẹn wọ́n fọwọ́ ṣe kankan they are putting this money together to make a campaign fún olórí burúkú tá a dìbò fún olórí burúkú Tinubu tá a dìbò fún tó impose ara ẹ̀ lé wa lórí tàtú dákẹ́ tàtú gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ní kò tẹ̀ má fún wọn lóúnjẹ má fún wọn kankan fún wọn ní security mo fẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré play video nǹkan kí gbogbo yín gbọ́ kẹ́ tó máa lọ mo fẹ́ ká play video ẹ wo video yìí.
All right, so from what happened on the 29th of March 2026 being Palm Sunday, a significant day in the Christian calendar at Angwan Rukuba, Jos Plateau State, that left a lot of scores, which includes a pregnant woman and a baby in her belly. Father, mother, sons, daughters, over 27 of them. It made me realize something, that living in Nigeria right now, you are one event away from making it to the news with an RIP tagged to your picture. I'm telling you this, from what happened there, you are just one event away. Because we never know where these people are going to attack next. We never know. So you're one event away. Now, as I was in the midst of those cops, because I stood in the middle, as I was in the middle of those cops, I realized something, that we are actually not different from the animals. We human beings, we are not different from the goats, the chicken, the dogs, just name it, we are not different from them. The only difference between you and an animal
is becoming more low.
Speak. Your goal is to have a better life, buy good cars, wear good clothes, buy beautiful houses, go on trips. And an animal, their goal is to just hunt other animals or eat and sleep. Like the lions, like the tigers, like the leopards, like the fish.
They
just want to eat and sleep. That's the difference between you and an animal. Why did I say this? This attack happened on the 29th. Got there on the 30th. Those people were already bloated. They don't swell up. They don't smear. don't smell. Just the way if you buy chicken, you keep am. You no attend to am, you come out, you travel, you come, I can't remember. You don't swear, don't
Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo nǹkan kan ni o.
Especially if you know the fridge. That's what human being dey. But like I said, we are all one event.
Amen, sis.
From making it to the news with an RIP tagged to our faces in this country. Now the question I'm going to ask Nigerians is, how do you want yours to end? That's the question. How do you want to end? Do you want to grow old? Or do you want to have the same fate with the people of Angwarukuba? Unexpected. Not just Angwarukuba. On Salah Day, which a lot of you didn't pay attention. On Salah Day, the Muslims of Borno State were also attacked. These are all Nigerians, understand? Bomb blast, 3 places. Hospital Gate, University of Borno Teaching Hospital, the gate. Post Office Junction, a very popular junction in Borno, and the market. These explosions left scars, left a lot of people in the hospital. These are Nigerians. Like I said, we are all one event away from making it on the news with an RIP put on our faces, or with a tag, pray for Jos, pray for Borno. Nigeria is bleeding, Jos is bleeding. We are all one event away from that. The question is, the people in power, what are they doing about it? Let me guess this. Talking about...
Ẹ̀dúró. Ibi báyìí gangan mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́. Ẹ fetí balẹ̀ dáadáa tẹ́ bá gbọ́. Ẹ lọ lo earpiece. This is the defense minister. Olórí àwọn defense tó jẹ́ kó look after wa ní Nàìjíríà. Ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ nípa àwọn bandits. Kò ní yẹ olórí burúkú tó jẹ́ dàbí àmàlà tó ní kókó yìí. Mi ìmọ̀rúkọ olórí burúkú ẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ nípa àwọn bandits.
So many people have asked that questions. Why do we need to rehabilitate criminals? They all should be killed. Because they kill people. Well, that may make sense. But even in the Bible, we heard about the prodigal son. If there was not a window for the man to come back with that.
Lórí burúkú, sí manipulator. Only people are asking. Ṣé mo kọ́ tó sọ? Wọ́n ní àwọn bandits yẹn tó bá ti mú wọn, kó máa fi wọ́n lẹ̀, kó máa rehabilitate wọn, pé kó máa pa wọn. Ó wá sọ fún pé even nínú Bible, ó ní even prodigal son, ó ní wọ́n mú padà wá. Kò ní yẹ ìwọ lórí burúkú Olóyèdè. Ṣé Olóyèdè ló ń jẹ́? Kò ní yẹ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ máa ṣánkú mọ́ ẹ lójú ni. Kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ Bible fi jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ prodigal son pẹ̀lú àwọn bandits? Ṣé àwọn bandits ro prodigal son nínú Islam? Àwọn bandits tó gba olóyún tó lọ́mọ nínú, bandits tó ń pa ọmọdé, bandits tó ń pa àgbà. Tó bá sọ pé kẹ́ rehabilitate wọn, kí lẹ wá ń ti àwọn èèyàn mọ́nú ẹ̀wọ̀n fún? Kí lẹ ń pa àwọn criminals fún? Ẹ kúkú ṣe máa rehabilitate gbogbo wọn. Ṣé rí pé àwọn people yìí mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe? Ṣé rí pé àwọn people yìí mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe? Ẹni tó bá ti mú bandits, kó má pa wọn, kó má punish wọn, kó má rehabilitate wọn. Ní computer age yìí. Tẹ̀tẹ̀ mọ gbogbo damages táwọn people ti ṣe. Ẹ wá sọ fún pé Tinubu àti assistant ò mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀. Ìgbà tó ti jẹ́ Muslim ticket yẹn mo ti ń fura. Mo ò sọ̀rọ̀ religion o. Ṣé wọ́n ti sọ pé assistant Tinubu before ká tó vote fún gbà yẹn? Ṣé wọ́n ti sọ pé olórí àwọn bandits ni? Ipò òun gangan ó máa ń finance àwọn bandits. Ṣé wọ́n ti ṣá? Tó lọ gbé fídíò ẹ̀, ipò máa ń bá àwọn bandits rìn, ipò ti rí pẹ̀lú àwọn bandits dáadáa. Ṣé wọ́n ti? Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ.
So the point is that these are Nigerians, mostly. And it's important for us to give them that window to repent if they want to.
Ṣẹ̀gbọ́, Only they are Nigerians. Only those bandits are Nigerians. So we have the right to give them a chance to repent. So my question is, why are they locking criminals in the prison? Auntie Maureen is still there up till today. She's been locked up for saying the truth. She's not a criminal, but they still lock her up. And this monkey, this animal called Oloyede, she's telling Nigerians to welcome bandits. And you tell me there is no fire on the mountain in Nigeria. Tinubu knows what is happening in Nigeria. Shettima knows what is happening in Nigeria. They know about the bandits. That is why they are not talking about it. Let's continue.
Rather than pushing them to the extreme, to say, okay, it's either we kill you or you continue with the adventure. I think it's important for us to make people understand, especially the National Assembly, because as we speak now, everything about safe corridor is being delivered by the first.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n kan tó pè wọ́n ni repentant bandit. Ní Nigeria, when I was growing, mo rántí pé Nigeria, they don't have mercy for ẹni tó bá pààyàn. Ìdá olójalè ni o, ìdá òǹjà ló pààyàn yẹn ni o. Wọ́n ní nǹkan kan tó yẹ pé ẹni tó bá pààyàn wọ́n máa pa lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni. Death by hanging ni. Àwọn bandits tó tún rọ̀ bẹ̀ sí fèsì wa, tó máa ka owó lójú wa lórí internet. This monkey, this nuisance that is high on cheap drugs, is calling them repentant bandits. In Nigeria, àgàgà common man. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe? Àwọn people ti sell wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ.
And there's no part of the budget that says, okay, if you run Operation Safe Corridor. So, honorable there, I'm only speaking to you to understand the importance of Safe Corridor and that at some point.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ. Wọ́n ti sọ tán. Ṣé tí wọ́n mọ̀ nǹkan? Kò ń ṣe àwọn èèyàn nìkan ló ń pa o. Wọ́n tún ń pa àwọn soldiers. The soldiers are reducing every day. And this monkey, this nuisance, tó máa gbé ọmọ sí Olóyèdé, tó máa gbé ìyàwó ẹ̀ sin, tó yẹ pé ojú ẹ̀ báyìí ó máa fọwọ́ ẹ̀ gbé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ sin ni. Ó ní kán dáríjì bandit. Is it because kò tí affect wọn? Ṣé rí pé wọn ka Nigerians kan? Because tó bá respect yín ni, tó kà yín kún ni, he will not come out with his full chest to tell the world to give the bandits the second chance, to rehabilitate them, calling them repentant bandits. Àwa mama sọ tiwa. Thank you all for joining me. I'll come back. I'll come on Friday. Yeah? So I'm not coming out again. I'll come on Friday. I'm sorry for the impromptu chat. I couldn't wait. So I'll come on Friday and we'll come and talk better. So any other thing that is going on, we'll come and talk about it. Shegbo, thank you so very much. God bless you. Then bí ṣe sọ, anybody tẹ́ bá rí ipò kan ló ń ṣe indirectly tó ń support government yìí, ẹ lọ gbé wọn ṣépè, ẹ lọ flag wọn, ẹ lọ inbox wọn, tẹ́ bá lè gbójú yín fi ṣe, ẹ lọ lo fake profile. Ojú mi lèmi fi ń ṣe, mi ò ní fake profile o. But you know, ẹ jẹ́ kán feel it yẹn. Ẹ wo lórí burúkú bí Cubana tó ti kọ́ ọmọ àtìyàwó ẹ̀ wá sí lóyìnbó. Ìyẹn náà sọ pé on the mandate we shall stand. Gbogbo wọn wá ń bọ̀ tán sí wọn update. We stand with justice. Justice is bleeding. Ẹ wá àwọn olórí burúkú yìí. Àdígbà tí olórí burúkú tó ń tọ́ tí ń pọ̀bù yẹn, Cubana chief priest, ikun àti ikun Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́, mèmí tó ju apẹ̀rẹ̀ tàtàṣé jù. Àníyẹn sọ pé bandit tó lọ sí Jos, ó náà fẹ́ fi disgrace birthday Tinubu ni. Kò tiẹ̀ pity àwọn tó kú. Kò tiẹ̀ ní feelings fáwọn tó kú, kò ní empathy fún wọn. Ó ní killing tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń Jos, ó fẹ́ fi disgrace birthday Tinubu. So Tinubu's birthday is more important than those people's life. Mo máa ń sọ fẹ́yìn obìnrin, be careful who you marry as husband. ṣé wàá wo olórí burúkú wo bí Cubana Chief Priest yẹn títí wàá lọ fẹ́ lọ́kọ just because of money ẹni tó jẹ́ pé kò sí nǹkan kan lọ́pọlọ ẹ̀ sawdust ló wà lọ́pọlọ ẹ̀ àti kó lọ́tọ̀pọ̀ ṣé rí ìtorí ẹ̀ mo ṣe ní reservation mi fún Davido ẹ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tí Davido bá rìn àwọn olórí burúkú èèyàn ni kò sí ìtí ayé ẹ̀ fògo fọ́lọ́ nínú gbogbo àwọn tí Davido kó jọ ẹ lè imagine kí Davido máa pe irú Cubana Chief Priest yẹn ní bestie ẹ̀ kí ló fẹ́ wà lọ́pọlọ Davido gọ́gọ́ ju kó gba pátá lọ́wọ́ obìnrin lọ honestly ẹ bá kan sọ pé mo ti mo like Davido mọ́ ni because mo ní reservation mi lórí Davido nǹkan tó bá mú Davido tó ń pe Cubana Chief Priest ní bestie ẹ̀ tó ń pe Ubi Franklin ní bestie ẹ̀ no ẹ lọ wo gbogbo àwọn corridor Davido yẹn ẹ ti rí pé Davido gan Davido ní problem Davido too àṣírí ẹ̀ náà máa tú ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀ I don't understand Cubana Chief Priest irú àwọn èèyàn ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ láwùjọ because they have nothing in their brain ìgbà tó sọ pé àwọn èèyàn a lot of lives were lost in Nigeria and you came out and you say they just want to use it to disgrace Tinubu's birthday àbí kí Tinubu ṣánkú níjọ́ birthday yẹn gangan ta ni Tinubu ṣó lórí burúkú ni Tinubu ṣe dáadáa no disgrace ẹ àní kò ní yẹ yín kò ní yẹ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ support ẹ and in all you do please continue to pray for VDM he needs our prayers let me now shock you all ibi tán ni just the incident yẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ the next day ni VDM lọ síbẹ̀ because ó mọ̀ pé àwọn media ò ní gbé ṣó yẹ yín VDM ti sáré lọ síbẹ̀ ó ti lọ cover ní the second day now VDM lọ síbẹ̀ VDM ò gbé one single ọlọ́pàá lọ VDM ò lọ pẹ̀lú bodyguard ṣé kí n ṣọ́kì ìgbà tí gọ́vnà jọ́ọ̀sì máa lọ síbẹ̀ ṣé mọ nǹkan tó gbé lọ àmọ́ tàǹkì ló gbé lọ àti oríṣiríṣi mọ́tò ọlọ́pàá báwo ló ṣe make sense nílùú tó ń govern ẹni tí ò gbénu yẹn ordinary citizen ó lọ without one single police but the governor of that state Jos he went there with armor tank police with police vehicles with bodyguards and you are telling me there is nothing wrong with Nigeria. No wonder Trump called them country of a particular concern. VDM went with nothing. That boy. En tó bá ṣépè fún VDM èpè á mọ́. En tó bá ètì bọ̀bọ́ yẹn kò ní ráàánú gbà because àwọn pastor yín àwọn àfáà yín gan tẹ́ worship sacrifice tí VDM give kò sí ètò ń give ẹnu wọn ẹ tún wá ráwọn léwu bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń náwó ló ṣe ń nọ́ra ìtorí ẹ̀ tí bá rẹ̀ tó kórìíra VDM mo bá ń kórìíra wọn lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni bábúrò mi ṣe bà yẹn tó bá kórìíra VDM lẹ́yìn máa kọ́ lábúrò because it is only evil people èèyàn tí ò ní jèrè láyé tí ò ní jèrè lọ́run àjẹ́ oṣó wicked people bí olórí burúkú tó mọ kó ṣe yìí àwọn nìkan ló lè kórìíra VDM